All right, here's today's loss that we took in the AM session. This wasn't the best trade. I thought we had a clear setup to go to the downside to at least take out data lows and maybe those hourly lows down below, but I had my first take profits. The first green line set at 5-minute lows, and then the second take profit was set at 15-minute lows, and then the third take profit was set at the 1-hour low, and I think that was the data low also. So here's the first loss that we took, and as you can see, I posted this in the Discord. I didn't take the trade on the next one that you'll see. I took it as a paper trade because my stop loss wasn't set yet, and we got those two candles right after I entered, and it just skyrocketed up. I was going to put my stop loss at those most recent highs, but we ended up losing a little bit more money than I thought we would because of how that candle reacted, and we ended up getting out where you guys see the end of the red box. So we lost a little bit more money than we were supposed to today, and this is why I didn't take the next trade I'm about to explain. Here's the second trade that I took on a paper trade because, again, first loss, we lost more than we were supposed to, and I wanted to control my emotions on this one. And this is PM session. I usually don't trade PM session, so that's another reason why I didn't take this trade. But this trade was taken off a 5-minute SMT. We swept 15-minute highs on ES, but not NASDAQ. And I took this paper trade on NASDAQ. We formed a 5-minute SMT, broke structure to the one side on the 1-minute time frame, filled equilibrium, and then we started getting selling pressure to the downside. I would have entered off of that candle to the downside, as you guys see where the trade would have entered. Stops for equilibrium, gets invalidated. Take profit, first one would have been at the 5-minute lows, and then profit would have been like 75% off there. Set the stop loss to break even, and then we would have let it run all the way down to the next 15-minute lows, and this would have hit for a 1 to 2.3, I think it was, or something like that. Overall, today was a little bit of a tricky day, especially emotionally because of what happened on the first trade. So we didn't take the second trade. We took a loss today. It is what it is. Other than that, we'll see what tomorrow brings. We'll see if there's a setup, but today was kind of a tricky day. I feel like, again, price action has been a little bit difficult to predict, but again, we just keep pushing forward. We were up on the week. Now we took a little bit of a big loss, so we're kind of back down at break even, and we'll see what happens.